Alright, this right here is one of our vapor types, the EBU. It can be wired two ways. It could be always on, or it could be with a switch while having the battery charge while it's off. Here's how it's wired. You have two hots. You have one coming from the driver, and you have one coming from the battery. The battery hot is the one you want to wire with both the hot and the neutral, because when the power is killed, it'll keep the battery charging. The hot coming from the driver, you want to wire on its own. That one's the one that will go to the switch, because when you kill power, that's what will shut the light off. But because the other hot is wired to a constant hot, the light will keep charging the battery in case the power goes out. So I'm gonna go and kill the power to the driver right now. As you can see, the light on the side, that right there is the battery charging indicator. I killed the power, the battery is still charging. That's because it's wired in such a way where if the driver is connected to the switch, it will cut off the power to the light, the battery will keep charging because from a different power source. Plugging it back in, and the light comes back on.